Hello, this is Tax for Unit 2. My name is Sandra Marcela Cosme Soto. I'm 23 years old. In my free time, I like drawing, singing, or reading. I live in Soacha with my cousin and my dog. His name is Toby. I'm studying business administration in the UNAD. For the next vacation, I'm planning to travel with my boyfriend to Huila to visit my sister. And my hobby is going on excursions to tourist places with my boyfriend. Dessert recipe lemon dessert. Ingredients 10 crackers, in this case ducales, half cup of condensed milk, 1 cup of sour cream, and the zest of 3 lemons. Instructions 1. Usually what we do first is adding the condensed milk, the sour cream at the mixer. Then we always need citrus, in this case 3 lemons. So we add the lemon juice and we mix, finishing in a compact mix. 2. In a medium bowl, we place the Ducales crackers and over them we spread the mix and repeat the process until the mix and crackers are over. Then we add some lemon zest over the dessert. Finally, we take the dessert to the freezer during 30 minutes and then we can serve it and enjoy. Thanks for your attention.